Right now, COVID is a major health and political problem. A combination of new variants like Delta and Omicron and stubborn vaccine refusal among millions has led to an all-time high in cases. The 7-day average of confirmed cases is just blown past previous records, and that doesn't even begin to account for people who don't report results of at-home tests or who are asymptomatic. Hospitalizations are spiking as well, but the death rate so far has ticked up much more slowly, owing in part to what appears to be a less severe illness that is caused by Omicron. The public is in a different place, though, than it was a year ago, and the Biden administration is desperately trying to catch up. The CDC has offered confusing and at sometimes contradictory advice. The Supreme Court seems skeptical about the best tool in Biden's toolbox, the vaccine mandates. And stay-at-home guidelines and school closures have given us a feeling of a recurring nightmare. All of it adds up to a big political problem for the president, who pledged to restore confidence in the government's ability to competently handle this crisis.
The new normal is not going to be what it is now. It's going to be better.
President Biden, elected promising to shut down the virus.
The first step I will take will be to get control of the virus.
Now faces an unprecedented surge.
The largest influx of patients that we've ever taken care of.
Nearly 1 in 4 hospitals report a critical staffing shortage. At the Luminous Health Doctors Community Medical Center in Maryland, COVID cases are up 925% since Thanksgiving. 70% of the patients are unvaccinated.
It's very tough. A lot of times you just have to take a break, you cry, and you come back. Then you do it all over again.
As Omicron spreads, it's already crippling schools, including in Chicago, where schools were canceled this week over an ongoing conflict with the teachers union.
I want my students to learn, I want my children to learn, but I also want us to stay safe.
We will not pay you to abandon your post and your children at a time when they and their families need us most.
Nationwide, flights have been canceled.
How are you feeling?
Angry, because I was supposed to be home yesterday.
Mass transit disrupted. In Los Angeles, so many ambulance crews are out sick, some COVID patients have been brought to the hospital by fire truck.